starting up a faceless channel and creating videos like this that are actually trending right now. And these videos actually trigger emotions for a lot of people, curiosity, emotions, trending. Everybody wants to watch these videos. And now if you're starting up a faceless channel and you want to start with this, I'll be teaching you today how to detailedly prompt for videos like this, so you do not fall on the train road and start creating nonsense videos that don't make sense and do not align. The method that I'll be teaching you on how to do this is actually free. So those of you who are starting up your new channels or you're starting up your new page and you want to be using this as short to grow or longer videos to actually get easy content that makes sense and trend, let's go. Let me show you how to do this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. I'll open my ChatGPT like this. Now, once you open your ChatGPT, the next thing you need to do is paste this particular prompt. Now, in my description box, I'll actually put out like 4 different prompts for you guys. But please switch those prompts like I always say, okay? Input your own character style that you want and then click on generate. So you can actually see a detailed prompt from a coach. It's not that your thing that you say, create me cat story, make it emotional. You see, that's a prompt. That's a detailed prompt, okay? A hyper-realistic, emotional, cinematic animal story that starts extremely sad and ends in, yeah, you guys can see that. The main character must remain visually identical in every scene. Like, guys, I don't want to go detail into this, but I'll put it in the description box for you all to see how you can actually get your story. Now, this is me giving it all to you guys because I do not want to gatekeep anything, okay? Yeah, you've been good to me. So after you get your story, this is a story. This is how they've given us a story. They said master character template, replaceable, detailed description. There you go. Now you have Leo, that is our main character. How Leo looks, the eyes, the face, the body, the clothes. These are the things that you actually put in place so you do not get funny characters. You get your consistent characters. That's why some of you come back to me and say, oh, Woko, I tried to do it. My character was not consistent. My character was looking different. This is a full course. This is actually a course that I'm giving you all. I used to do tutorials. Today, it's a course, okay, for free. Now, once you have this, you have emotional cinematic story. Emotional cinematic story, okay? Scene 1, the rain took everything. So from here, you can actually see where it started. Or here, this is the story. It comes down. Now, they say image prompt. Where you get the image prompt, you can see above the image prompt, it said character consistency, paste here. I don't play. If you're my student, you know. Okay, now we have it like this. This is scene 1. I'll copy scene 1, image prompt, scene 1. I'll copy that, copy. I'll just bring it here for editing. I'll paste it back here. I'll swap up here where it says character consistency right there. Okay, master your character template. Delete that. Nobody will teach you this. Nobody. They already come and teach you their templates already. They just paste their templates and they continue what they're doing. My page is for beginners. Now, I'll come up here where they actually described Leo, which is the character consistency. This is it here. Then I'll copy, okay? Hyper realistic, copy all Leo's description. Everything about Leo, copy. There you go, okay? Copy everything. So I copied Leo description and I put it in front of this prompt. A lot of you might get confused. Do not. We are going slow. I'll put it in front of the prompt. That is the image prompt that I copied. Okay, scene 1 prompt that I copied. So that's it. Now we have this very long ass prompt. We have this very long prompt. Okay, now it is time for you to copy this prompt. There, copy. Copy the whole of the prompt. Now I'm done copying this prompt. Okay, if you're generating on ChatGPT, what you need to do is just say create image for scene 1 with consistent character. Okay? Yes. Okay. That is if you are generating on ChatGPT. All right? Now I'll click on generate. For those of you who are not generating on ChatGPT, I already copied the full prompt. Let's take it to an image tool. I'll go to this image tool. I'll be using Gemini, which is free for a lot of people. Click on Gemini and open your Gemini AI like this. Then you click on the create image. Once you click on create image, you come here and you paste that prompt, that long prompt. Yes. Long prompts are what actually helps you to be consistent and get your consistent character thingy. Now I'll click here on generate. So we have this from Gemini AI. This is the image we get from Gemini AI. Okay. So after this image, let's go to ChatGPT and see which one. ChatGPT's image is more detailed about this particular prompt, about this particular cat thing. Okay. Because I have a teaching platform, I take you guys in different places because I don't want you to be confused. So number one, I generated on ChatGPT. Number two, I used the Gemini AI. So this is to give you a hint which one you see best for you, which one will give you the best image that you really want. Okay. I'll click on this image and I save it. Now I'll save that image. Then I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT to generate scene 2 for me. Okay. Generate scene 2 image with consistent character. Okay. While that is generating, now we have image number 2. This is image number 2. I'll save that. So I'll prefer my images from ChatGPT because they're giving me exactly what I really want. All right. Now you do this with all your images. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and every scene. Now here they've actually given us a script. You see, it ends successfully. We got right to 7 scenes, but I have generated only 2 scenes yet. Okay. And at this point, now the sweet thing about this is, let me tell you, immediately I ask for my prompt. You know what they do? They give me image prompt. This is your image prompt. They give you image prompt, okay? And after the image prompt, they give you a scene. They give you your scene. That's it. And then you have image prompts, and then you have your scene. So now I'll take this scene. This is scene 1, okay? I'll take scene 1 and take it to our video tool. Do you get? Now we are going to video tool to actually animate our scene 1 because we already have the prompt number 1, and then we use scene 1, okay? So yeah, copy that and take it to my video tool. Do you get? Our video tool. Guys, video tools, like I always say, you can actually use the Halo AI, you can use Kling AI, you can use Pixverse, you can use Grok. I'll be using Grok because it is free. And a lot of people always say, oh, this one is not free. So I'll use Grok for you all to see. Okay. Now at this point, we add Grok. I'll click on Imagine. Once we click on Imagine, we bring in the first scene. And then we paste our story scene under there. Then you click on Generate. And then you wait for that to generate. This is what you do for every scene. So image number 1 has its scene. Okay. Image number 2 has its scene. Image number 3 has its scene. So you take image number 1, you generate image number 1, you copy scene number 1 and come and generate it.
Fire didn't just burn wood and walls. It burned his future. I can't start again. Not like this.
You generate all your images, then you turn them into video, and you've saved all them into your phone. The next thing I'll show you now is how to put this story together on CapCut. Okay, so you can use any tool of your choice, InShot, Filmora, any editing tool of your choice, but I'll be using CapCut on this one. Now I saved my videos already, and I'll move to CapCut. You click on CapCut, then you click on new project or new video. Once you click, the first thing, you start by saving the first video line to line. Okay, so this is my first video, then this one, then the breakdown, then this. Okay, then you click on add. So you bring in your videos accordingly. These are your videos. Now you already have your long video to post. The next thing is you can look for sounds, music. You can leave this sound there, it's okay. The actual sound of the cat talking itself, you can leave it. The cat sound that you want, and then you add into your videos, or you create your own cat sound yourself. But at this point, I always like the cat talking, and it makes more sense to me. Okay, so yeah, when you're done, just export your video to 180p. Okay, and then you can post it anywhere you want, and you're good to go. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI kind of video you want me to teach you how to do. Bye guys.